Welcome to Terminology Tutor. Today, we're diving into 30 iconic foods from the 1970s. Discover the dishes that defined a decade and expand your English food vocabulary along the way. Fondue. Melted cheese or chocolate for dipping bread, fruit, etc. Jell-O molds. Gelatin desserts with fruit or vegetables, often in fancy shapes. Quiche. Savory egg pie with cheese, veggies, or meat. Hamburger helper. Boxed meal kit with pasta and seasoning for ground beef. Pineapple upside-down cake. Cake baked with pineapple and cherries on the bottom. TV dinners. Frozen meals in trays for quick heating and eating in front of the TV. Deviled eggs. Hard-boiled eggs filled with a mustard and mayo mixture. Watergate salad. Pistachio pudding, whipped topping, and marshmallows. Tuna noodle casserole. Baked pasta with tuna, peas, and creamy sauce. Crêpes Suzette. Thin pancakes with orange sauce, often flambéed. Swanson pot pies. Frozen meat pies with vegetables in a crust. Spam. Canned meat, often sliced and fried or baked. Baked Alaska. Cake and ice cream covered in toasted meringue. Carrot cake. Moist cake with grated carrots and cream cheese frosting. Vienna sausages. Small canned sausages, popular at parties. Stuffed peppers. Bell peppers filled with rice and seasoned meat. Ambrosia salad. Fruit salad with coconut, marshmallows, and whipped cream. Sloppy joes. Ground beef in tangy sauce served in a bun. Chicken a la king. Creamy chicken with veggies over rice or toast. Tang. Was first used by astronauts during NASA's Gemini missions in 1965. Salisbury steak. Beef patties in brown gravy, often served with mashed potatoes. Grape nut pudding. Custard dessert made with grape nuts cereal. Cheese ball. Cream cheese mix rolled in nuts, served with crackers. Beef stroganoff. Beef and mushrooms in creamy sauce over noodles. Taco casserole. Baked dish with taco-seasoned meat, cheese, and chips. Egg foo young. Chinese-American omelet with veggies, meat, and brown gravy. Chex Mix. Homemade mix of cereal, nuts, and seasonings. Rice-A-Roni. Packaged rice and pasta side dish. Mock apple pie. Pie using Ritz crackers instead of apples. Frito pie. Chili and cheese over Fritos corn chips. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to keep learning with Terminology Tutor.